ここはいねえか。
たくんなんて言うの？鬼は外やろ？
鬼は外や。鬼は外って言え。
鬼は外。そう。
なんだそれは。
そう鬼は外。こっち広いところでやり。広いところでやり。はい、鬼は外。
なんだ。
鬼は外。たっくん、鬼は外。鬼は外。あともう少しでやっつけられるぞ。頑張れ、鬼は外。鬼は外。
もう来ないぞ。
Hey guys, it's me Kazu. By the way, why do Japanese people Setsubun? Before I give you the answer, let me introduce another ritual. It is to eat sushi rolls while making a wish on Setsubun. I'll explain the details of how to make the sushi rolls later. First, why do we have Setsubun? Setsubun means the day before the seasonal turning points of spring, summer, autumn, and winter. It means the day of the division of the seasons. According to the lunar calendar, the year begins in spring. So February 3rd, the day before spring begins, February 4th, was considered to be the most important day of the year. Nowadays, it has become widely recognized that spring Setsubun equals Setsubun. It was believed that evil spirits could easily enter people at the time of the division of the seasons, especially at the Setsubun in spring when the year changes. Therefore, in order to ensure the peace and safety of the year and to ward off evil spirits, it became widespread for ordinary people to throw beans on Setsubun to drive out ogres and pray for good health. Anyway, I would like to introduce how to make sushi rolls. First, add vinegar to the rice to make sushi rice. Second, let's prepare the ingredients. These are nori, seaweed, shrimp, tuna sashimi, Japanese rolled omelets, cucumber, lettuce, and crab-flavored fish paste. Finally, put the sushi rice and ingredients on top of the nori and roll it. Please try.
卵とカニ玉とエビの海苔巻きを作ろうと思ってるんだけど。
全部入ったやつ？
違う。カニ玉とエビと卵だけの。
いや、野菜は絶対入れて。
やだ。
絶対入れて。
だ。
よいしょ。
食べたいな。
はい、じゃあ一緒に巻こうか。せーの。よいしょ。キュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュッキュ
ペロ。
こんなにできました。
The next video will be about Hinamatsuri Day, which is held on March 3rd. I will explain in detail what it is a girls' festival. By the way, since our daughter was born last year, we bought dolls for the Hinamatsuri. Please look forward to watching. Thank you for watching until the end. Please subscribe to my channel.